traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, kind of a sideways day today. I mean, we definitely did start off very strong, very nice push to the upside. I currently have my Fibonacci retracement on just the last wave up. I'm definitely still looking for longs. I think the market has definitely proved that over the last few weeks, especially on these dollar pairs, that the trend is your friend. Still looking at this as a wave 3 on the daily time frame and up. So definitely still looking for long entries. Keep a very close eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels. This actually could already be in a wave C. It could literally bounce off any one of these levels. It kind of seems more likely like it probably will go down to a little bit of a lower level, but whatever level it decides to respect, whatever level makes a nice big engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback I see, at least until we get a break of structure to the downside, preferably on at least the probably the 4 hour time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.